How to add two clock on iPhone lock screen. Guys, to do this is very simple and easy. Make sure you close your iPhone like this, then tap on it to unlock your iPhone. Tap on this screen to enable it. You can see then tap on customize. Once it's like this, then you should see this button. Tap on this button. If you are not seeing it, then tap on it to make sure that this widget button is active. Now tap on the widget. Once tap on the widget now, you have to scroll up here until you see clock. You can see so many things here, but make sure you locate and tap on clock. Tap on clock button. Once tap on clock button, you have something like this. You have the work. You have the word clock. Then locate and tap on this city digital button. You have another one. Then you have this city analog. So you have two settings here. So here I want to take a look at the digital setting. So tap on this to add it. Then you can tap on this as well to add it. So it has to do with you. You can tap on this as well to add it. Once you tap on this, close this page. Now close this one. Now tap on this button again to bring it out. So you want to add two nations clock. Maybe you travel to somewhere and you want to have access to their local time. Tap on this first one. Now let's go and type in France here first. Let's say France. Maybe you're traveling to France and you want to see France time here. So let's do type in France here. So maybe you are going to Lyon, anywhere in France. So let's just, I'm going to Lyon in France. Then that has been added France. Then the second one, let's tap on second one. But this time, let's type in USA, as is United States. So here you have series of state in USA. Let's locate and tap on Columbus as a case study. Tap on it. Now tap on this. Make sure you drag this to where you can easily see it is draggable. Then tap on done. So let's come out and tap on this to add this to our home screen. Now you can see that we've added the two clock on this home screen, even lock screen. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.